Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I will show you how you can use CouponBet to insert a booking and to organize your bookings. Well, first of all, let's go to our booking manager. So if you click the booking manager, then you will see a list of all our bookings that we have right away. And this is very useful. As you can see, it's starting to load. Alright. So we have here the total bookings. You can see here there are many bookings, and in total 3 customers are traveling. And you probably will see here as well. Let's see who's returning. Well, no one has. 2 people are traveling, and 1 person already traveled yesterday, so no one returned yet. However, or at least no one is returning today. However, Sir James Bautista will travel tomorrow, and Miss Julie Mendoza will travel the day after that. So you can see we know exactly what to expect and who's going to travel very soon. And this is really designed to organize everything. And there's a huge list here, and you can see a lot of things. And maybe you are aware of any situation regarding to Baguio. Sorry, not Baguio, Boracay. So you can see here Jack Santos. Jack Santos is going to travel to Boracay during the closure period. So there, of course, there will be some issues with that. So there has to be eventually some notes to inform this needs to be adjusted. Of course, for now, the system is right now in a basic phase, and we're improving it gradually. On a weekly basis, you see new improvements coming. And what I'm going to discuss more today is how to add a booking. So let's click on this. And we're going to put in a new booking. And in this case, a booking is a company booking, since there's a group outing. And the company is called Teletech, a call center agency. And the contact person or the lead person is Justin Mendoza. And please note that what I'm writing right now is just all pure fiction. All these people and this booking does not exist. So I'll just put in here an email, jmmendoza@teletech.com.ph. Oh, sorry, it's not. I think the standard way is .ph.com. However, it does not matter so much. Alright, let's put in some contact numbers here. And 6, 8. Alright. And finally, what is this? So this is a van tour. It's a group tour for a van package going to Masungi. So let me show you here. So if it's here, land arrangement, what we need to do is a van tour. Alright, so we can say here is Tanay Masungi. Alright. And it's a 1 day only. And it's on the 26th. And returning date is also 26. And once you're done with that, you can click here. You say here a total of 18 packs. Customer paid online. And the total price was 10,000 pesos. Operator van rental service. And this one was 7,000. Alright, and here a special request or notice. So we're going to put in here, pickup time is 4 a.m. in the morning. And drop off time is estimated at 8 p.m. on the same day. On the same day. Alright, so once we have this, so we have now Justin Mendoza. Let's click here on save. And right now it's loading. Yes, there you are. Alright, so you see it takes some time here to load. Suddenly, I don't know why, I think my internet's a bit slow today. And let's search for Justin Mendoza's booking. So we have to go down. It was here somewhere in April. Yes, 26th of April. So you can see here our booking. Booked by me. You can see here the phone number is smart, Justin Mendoza, and the travel date and destination and how many people. And if you click on this, you can see more information regarding to the booking. And you can see Here we have some information here. This is the contact details, and special request. Pickup time is 4 a.m. in the morning and drop-off time is estimated 8 p.m. on the same day. You can see here everything, and we can see, of course, here our markups and earnings. So let's go back to the dashboard, and then we need to go to our, we have to go to a booking manager again, because what we want to do now is we want to just check our book by booking date. So if you click now by booking date, you should see now here Justin Mendoza. We just added this one in here, and you can see here the total earnings and all the financial numbers here from every booking. Of course, this one does not make any sense. This is an incorrect booking. However, you can see everything is being in here. And what's really nice with this booking, if you see something like this, you can ask them, hey, what's going on here? Why is this only 1 peso? Is there some mistakes with the booking? Or you can double check everything. And that's very nice. This is really designed to help you to organize your travel agency so you can spend and invest your time more in sales, marketing, and product development instead of paperwork. And if you like this system, you register for it as well. You can register for this and get the 3 months trial. Just go to couponbet.com, and once you're in there, you click on the link register. And my internet is a bit slow, so you can see it takes some time. Alright, so it jumps here, and then you just click here on sign up now. And once you did that, you have to sign up the form, accept everything, click register now. You get an email, check your inbox, confirm by clicking on the confirmation link in the email. Then once you did that, your account is confirmed and you're ready to log in right away. It's all instant, no need to wait for anything, no need to wait days, hours, weeks for approval. No, it's all instant, very fast. So what are you waiting for? Organize your travel agency right away and sign